Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about Kbeautycafe haul. So I bought something from this online store, Kbeautycafe, and it's not actually my first time to buy there, to buy from that online store. I bought something from there way back before, months ago. So yeah, so today kasi since I went home now from Korea. I just traveled to Korea a few weeks ago. So I'm looking for this certain product that I'm looking for since YouTube searching days on how to get glowy skin online. So yeah, I'm looking for this beauty balm online, and actually I was looking for it when I was there in Korea, in Myeongdong, but I didn't find one. I didn't found one. So yeah, I wasn't able to look for it. I wasn't able to find it because wala namang store doon na nagbebenta ng ganung brand, I think. So that's why I was so happy that Kbeautycafe has this product that I'm looking for. Talagang matagal ko talaga siyang hinaharap. So yeah, so I got like 3 items from Kbeautycafe. So basically, hinor ko this week. So first off, yung pinili ko talaga, ito talaga yung hinahanap-hanap ko before. This is the Moringa Cleansing Balm. Ayan, guys. Ayan. This is the Moringa ENATURE. Yung ENATURE yung brand niya. Cleansing Balm. It is a makeup remover. So, ano siya? Makeup remover siya na maganda. Just like yung Zero Vanilla Co. Balm. Yeah, Zero Vanilla Co, right? And the other one, Heimish Balm. Puro mga makeup removers nila, guys. But this one kasi marami din feedback about it. I saw this in a Korean vlogger. So, okay daw tong cleansing balm daw. Actually, American vlogger siya, pero K-beauty vlogger din siya. So, ito yung loob niya, guys. So, this one. So, this is the inside of it. So, it says here that Moringa Cleansing Balm. I think, yeah, Moringa Cleansing Balm from ENATURE. The brand is ENATURE. So, okay siya, guys. So, I love this kasi gusto ko siya talagang i-try kasi I was so intrigued by this one. So, ayan yung loob niya, guys. Parang siyang waxy thing. Kasi, diba, syempre, guys, for our makeup removal, syempre dapat ganyan talaga, diba? Just like all the makeup remover. Ayan. Makeup balm. Yan, ako siya, guys. So, ayan. Ito yung scoop niya pala, guys. Ito, may scoop siya with it. So, kapag gusto mong mag-clean ng yung face, if you want to remove your makeup, you just have to scoop. A scoop lang. One scoop lang, then you will apply it to your face. Then, it will remove your makeup naman. Okay naman daw siya, guys. So, I've heard a lot of feedback about it. So, okay siya, guys. Ayan. So, lovely! I found it! Ayan. The next product that I bought was, of course, ang pinakamahal natin, Cosrx. So, Cosrx All-in-One Nail Cream. Before kasi I have the essence of All-in-One Snail 92 moisturizing cream. Meron akong essence nito. And medyo popos na rin kaya I'm going to buy another one. And okay yung mga Snail product, guys. If you know already the effect of snail into our skin. So, okay siya kasi nga, nakaka-calm down siya ng redness. Nakaka-fix siya ng mga parang something damage. Nakaka-repair siya ng damages. At the same time, yung redness niya, nakaka-calm down. Parang siyang moisturizing cream na Ito nga guys, so maganda siya kasi nga nakaka-calm down siya ng ating face whenever there's redness or itchiness and something like that. So I think this one is very, very nice into our skin. Yeah. Sorry guys. So ito yung loob niya guys if you want to look for the inside. So okay siya guys. Parang, ayan, buksan natin. Ayan yung laman niya. Buksan natin. Ayan, may pala. Medyo sticky lang siya guys. Moisturizing. Hindi naman siya sticky, pero medyo milky siya na something. Consistency, of course. Ito, moisturizer, guys. Alam mo naman yan. And okay siya, guys. Okay yung all Snail products. Nakaka-benefit siya skin. Yeah. Ayan, guys. Advanced Snail 92. All-in-one cream. Yeah, I love it. So, this one is my second purchase of Cosrx AHA PHA Clarifying Toner. So, I found out that AHA and PHA is also effective into my skin. I love it. Kasi una-una sa lahat, guys, if you have like blackheads, whiteheads, and any other dullness, dryness, damages into your skin, AHA PHA is the answer for that. So if you want those roughy texture into smooth texture, you just have to use AHA and BHA in your daily routine. So ang daily routine ko basically was I use a vitamin C skincare routine in the day. Then after that, in the night, I use AHA BHA skincare routine. So na-apply ko siya and as of now, medyo nawawala na yung parang pores ko. Yung blackheads ko, yung parang whiteheads ko, hindi na siya visible. At the same time, smooth yung texture na aking face. Hindi na siya yung parang rough na sobrang gaspang, sobrang andang mga bumpy effect. Eh ngayon, parang soft na siya, parang super smooth na siya, like baby skin. Pero hindi mo siya baby skin. Pero, darating din tayo dyan, for sure na pag naubos ko na yung AHA, yung isa kong AHA toner na ginagamit ko as of now. So, bumili ako ng second one because I love this product. Na-realize ko okay talaga siya. I loved it. Okay siya, guys, if you combine it with a perfect ingredient, a perfect product. So, kung feeling nyo na nag-red yung yung face nyo, feeling nyo nagkaka-pimples kayo, ay, ayoko na, nagkaka-pimples ako, nagkaka-breakout ako. Girl or boy, ako, ang tagot ko lang dyan, combine AHA or vitamin C with a proper product. Yung dapat yung ingredient niya hindi, kasi merong mga, talaga eh, merong mga skincare ingredients na hindi pwede sa isang skincare ingredient. So, it's very, very important that you have to research. You have to Google all the ingredients kung okay pa siya i-combine and mix together. So, you have to really, you have to really brainstorm and really focus on your skincare routine. Lalo pag gusto mo talagang gumanda yung kutis mo, you have to really effort in how to fix your skincare routine. So it is advisable that you have to look for one for yourself. Ako na-found out ko na tinatagal kong nag-research, gumawa ng skincare routine, bago-bago ako ng product. I always change products. Actually, I always change products. I have a lot of products there in my room na hindi ko pa nga nagagamit kasi nga, paiba-iba ako ng product. I use this one, then the next day, iba naman yung gagamitin ko. So, I was kinda overwhelmed sa lahat ng mga existing product na meron ako na pwede palang i-combine at yung hindi rin pwede i-combine that medyo nag-result siya ng redness ng aking face before. So yeah, if you want to really have a perfect skincare routine, it will really take a while, and you have to really research for it if you want some perfect combination. Diba? Kailangan sa skincare routine, guys, mix lang ng mix, pag perfect together, okay yun. Pag hindi naman okay together, then magkaka-irritate talaga yung skin mo. It will irritate your skin, magkaka-redness, magkaka-pimples. It will worsen the scenario, the situation. So, yun lang, guys. So, pumili ako sa Kbeautycafe. Meron din ako mga freebies, like this one. Meron ako freebie na ganito, clear sachets. So, okay siya, guys. Okay naman yung mga freebies niya. Ito, ginagamit ko na siya today. Meron akong ganito na full product. This one, I still don't have yet, the cleansing oil. So, okay siya, guys. I love all these products. Yan. So, yan, guys. Yun na basically yung mga hinor ko this week. Hinol. So, yeah, this week. So, I bought from Kbeautycafe. So, I love that online store. Yung mga wala sa beautymanila.com, meron sa Kbeautycafe. So, yung mga sold out sa Beauty Manila, doon ako bumibili. Kasi, yun. Maganda siya, guys. So, if you want to buy something from there, you can buy it, and may cash on delivery sila if you want cash on delivery, and okay naman yung kanilang service. So, yan, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoy my little haul this week lang from Kbeautycafe. So, follow me, guys, in all my social media accounts. See you guys again into my next video. Bye, guys!